Are you a social media influencer? Then this video is a request for you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Islam Talk and your sister Farina. I'm talking about social media influencers especially because we have a responsibility together when we are actually capturing the cyberspace, talking to people, mobilizing people, addressing the needs of the people, informing the people, and also influencing the people in many ways for many causes. May Allah bless you all for doing an amazing job doing that. You're such an inspiration for me and many others. However, as an influencer, you also have a responsibility that we actually do the right thing. We only and only express the needs that are actually real. We only and only point out the facts with evidence base. We only and only promote, project, present, and market the evidence-based best practices, right? This is a responsibility which is very basic because in this dunya, we will be held accountable by the public, by the followers, by the believers, by the people who actually look at us as the go-to people. However, there is another court that we will be held accountable on, which is going to be held on Judgment Day, the Yawm al-Qiyamah that is promised with all of us. And that day, we will be held accountable for whatever we said, whatever we did, whatever we mobilized for, whatever we influence people with on Judgment Day in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we need to be very mindful of that fact. If we point out fingers, right, it will come to us. What goes around comes around. So we should not be doing something that is not evidence-based. We're not sure about this. We just actually are using the broken telephone. We're not supposed to even believe those kind of pieces of information and just spread the rumors like that. I am all about pointing out and alarming the people about leaders and holding them accountable and all that, and we all are like that. We are supposed to do amr bil maruf wa nahy anil munkar as Muslimin, as believers. We have to do that. It's a responsibility. However, we should also ensure that 100% we are not doing something to actually unintentionally hurt the integrity of a leader, hurt the integrity and the feelings and the work is actually not going down the drain because of our mistakes. We should be very, very careful, my brothers and sisters. If we did that, we will be held accountable not only in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but that leader, all the leaders will also question us in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we will not have answers. So make sure when you're holding the leaders accountable, you actually talk about the facts only. You talk about the evidence-based information that actually came to you and you verified it with multiple sources. Remember, the companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they used to verify, they used to actually confirm things so many times, and we're not even their caliber, right? And we have so much going on social media that actually comes to us, and with people who with evil intentions, they bring us information to fuel the fire. So make sure that you take the time, you take the effort to actually verify information before spreading it. It's so easy to pick up the phone and just post something, pick up the phone and talk about something. But be mindful of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when you're doing it, so you're not hurting somebody's integrity, somebody's family, somebody's work, somebody's service record, somebody's credibility in the community, because they will not be going back. Sometimes the scar or the damage is lifelong. So be mindful of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and I hope when we are holding our leaders accountable, we are also showing respect, because leadership, which comes with accountability, 100% we should hold them accountable. However, it also deserves the respect and maintenance of integrity. So make sure you remember that when you are actually doing the accountability part. Respect should also be in your mind. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.